Hello, my name is Eric and I am a technical support engineer here at Inphonite. Today we are going to be going through how to send a test voice message. Your first step is going to be opening up your InphoniteVoice client located here. Or if using our web service, you can open up an internet browser and log into voice.inphonite.com. Make sure not to use Chrome. Once you have reached your dashboard, you want to go over to the left side and scroll down until you reach Test Contact, located here. Then fill in the information for the first name and the last name of your test contact. After that, fill in the phone number in any of these three locations here. Now select Save down at the bottom. Next, open up your Appointments tab. Verify you have at least one appointment that's in the future. If you do not, click New Appointment up top. Then fill in your information for your custom codes available here. You can fill in information such as location, your appointment type, or providers. Then select your start date. Verify that it is in the future. You can then select what time you want your appointment to state. After that is complete, select Save down at the bottom. After you have saved your appointment, you will then want to go over on the left side and select Voice Designer, located here. Then select the voice message that you want to send a test for. Double-click on the name of that message. This is also where you can make changes to your message. In order to send the test, you will drop down the phone numbers located here. Then select the phone number you'd like the test message to be sent to. You will then select Test located here on the left side. You should now receive your test message within the next 2 minutes. Thank you for joining us for this quick walkthrough. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at support@inphonite.com.